Okay, for those who don't know yet, Motor Glide Training Center, we have a training school here in Santo Tomas City, Batangas. We are specialized in slow maneuvering and on-road and off-road training school. So marami tayong all kinds of motorcycle. I believe marami po dito, mga kaibigan namin, nanggaling na sa school namin. For those who have not yet visited our training center, we have also a restaurant there. Coach Clyde, come on.
Alright, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Thank you po sa pagdalo and maraming salamat po sa organizer. We have the all respect and mabuhay po tayo lahat sa riders. So ako po si Coach Clyde, mga dati pong OFW, Bicolano, Coach Toto, Uragon. Okay, we're gonna discuss some safety tips. Okay, Coach?
Okay, first, Coach Tiny, come on. Ang first, the bike. How to check the bike before riding. Ito po yung mga ginagawa na kahit hindi tayo mekaniko at kahit hindi tayo sobrang eksperto mag-ride, napakahalaga po na chinecheck natin ang motorcycle. We call it T-clocks, Coach.
Okay, when you say T-clocks, basic lang po. Let's start with tires and wheels. So, i-check po yung front tire. Kung wala po tayong tire gauge, sipain po sa unahan, make sure na enough po. Tapos yung side, inapakan yung rims to make sure na walang sideway motion. Ibig sabihin is slow on air. So minsan po, iti-turn natin ang manibela to make sure na hindi mabigat po ang ating turning. So pagka mabigat ang manibela, ibig sabihin slow on air. So ibig sabihin, pag nag-U-turn ka, kumakabig po siya either kaliwa o kanan. So next po, yung ating C, which is the controls and cable. Make sure po na ating mga kable, well lubricated, wala po siyang mga cracks, at saka yung mga line of fuels, wala po siyang mga leak. Okay, mga switches po and mga levers, make sure po lahat siya functional. Okay? So, next po, letter
Lights.
For lights and electrics, make sure po na ating mga signals, yung mga brake lights, lahat po working. And make sure po na ang ating battery, not more than 2 years. Kasi over 2 years, pumapalya po ang ating battery. It's part of the wear and tear and part of the circuitry ng ating mga big bikes.
Okay, then the O stands for the oil.
Sa letter O, yun po yung oils and other fluid. Make sure po na proper ang ating maintenance ng ating oil and other fluids, yung ating mga brake fluids. Usually we're using DOT4, yung DOT3 sa mga sasakyan po yon. Tapos yung check po natin yung ating mga coolants. Okay, mga radiator nyo, make sure na walang leaks. Next, Coach.
Okay, then next is the C ulit, Coach.
Sa letter C
The
po
chassis.
yung chassis and suspension. Sa ating pong mga motor, meron po tayong adjustable suspension. Usually sa mga high speed, naka-hard suspension po tayo. Tapos sa normal riding mode, minsan medium or naka-light lang po yung suspension settings. Pero kung may passenger po kayo, adjust po ninyo na medyo matigas po siya. Adjust natin yung mic.
Okay, and finally the side stand or the S.
Yes, before the S side stand, yung chain din po pala, part po siya ng chassis. So make sure not too loose and not too tight. Every time na mag-PMS po kayo, chine-check po, ini-ensure na properly lubricated po siya and it should be not too tight and not too loose. Yung side stand, chine-check po natin dyan, yung spring. Make sure functional po yung spring, hindi po siya kalawangin. Yung tipong natatanggal kasi po pagka magra-ride tayo, sira po yung GFT spring. Pag nakalaylay po ang ating side stand, usually hindi po na-andar ang ating motor. Okay, meron po siyang side stand sensor.
Okay, so that's what we call T-clocks. Before we start, sakay ng motor, depende sa klase ng motor. So ngayon, ipapakita natin yung basic na pagsakay ng motor. Coach Clyde, paano start?
Pag medyo mababa po yung motor, it's a normal way. You enter on the left side, pasok. Pag medyo mataas, usually mga adventure bike or motor, pwede kayong apak sa side stand. Make sure po na hindi babaon ng yung side stand para hindi matumbang. And madali po kayo makamount. Okay, Coach, but before that, shout out po sa New Neymar for providing us this Ducati.
Yes,
Maraming
thank you very
salamat
much
po.
and lifestyle.
Neymar morning. Okay?
Isa sa mga training partners din natin sila.
Okay po. Next, Coach.
Okay, how to sit on the bike. So yung depende sa motor, sumakay si Coach Clyde using the foot peg. Now, paano naman tatayo yung motor?
Ililift, yeah.
Coach Clyde. Coach Tani.
So making sure, isa po sa mga disaster or struggle ng mga big bike user is kapag itinataas na yung motor. So nakakatulong po is when you turn the handlebar totally on the right. And then you can lift it easily using the foot peg if you're on the adventure bike In the cruiser, just use your hips and then straight it on the handlebar again. Just to make sure po, yung distribution ng weight is not naka-directional with the handlebar. And then, when you remove the side stand, making sure, gently, iwasan po natin yung medyo malakas na parang pang-enduro type kasi baka matamaan, harm yun para sa sensor niya. Okay? And, before you leave, making sure, adjust the side mirror, base the reference at your tip of your shoulder. So, 2 hands using the neck, and then 1 hand on the side mirror. Okay?
Natin ay hindi tamang take-off. Ganito yung kalimitan take-off ng mga raming nag-big bike. 2 paa ang ginagamit. Okay, take-off, coast glide. So usually ganun. Parang 2 paa ang take-off. Looks familiar? Okay, etong tamang take-off. The right foot is on the rear brake. The left foot is on the other side. Naka-V formation siya. Coach Tani, take off please. Yeah, that's it. Magagamit nyo yan sa muscle memory lalo na kung incline. Kapag ka-incline, naka-ready na yung rear brake nyo. Pag ginamit nyo yung sa incline, yung ginagawa ni Coach Clyde at biglang tumigil, yari ka. Tumba. Welcome to Tumba Club. Ang Coach ka muna. Coach Tani?
Coach, ikaw na magsabi.
Okay, so, ito po, another tip lang po sa mga na meron mga OBR or OBR official, hindi unofficial OBR, official back ride. So making sure, side stand muna ang motorcycle para hindi naman lahat ng bigat pumunta lahat sa ating leg. So making sure, before, after you insecure na naka-side stand na siya, make sure i-tap ng o i-aware lang ng back rider na sasampa na siya sa motor. Okay, once you hop in, from the...
Mostly po, sa paved surface, pag stable ang kalsada, pwede po kayong sumakay dito sa left side. However, pag medyo malambot siya, lalo po siyang babaon, so pwede siyang mag-mount sa right side using her right foot on the right foot passenger peg. Alright? Susubukan po niya. Right. Tap your shoulder, alam niyo ibig sabihin, alam natin na dyan siya sasakay.
Iyon. So kung napansin nyo,
Hindi ako
yung
napagod.
distribution po ng weight is much balanced kasi naka-lean po towards sa left ang motorcycle.
The rider is on the left, yung weight, yung sumakay ay on the right.
Okay? So when you're about to take off, ito isang position lang po, tip, making sure naka-clip yung pinaka-leg sa waist or sa hips mismo ng rider. And then, isa po paraan ng paghawak, it's not sometimes, most of the time, lagi nasa balikat, no? Pwede naman, one is on the cintureras. Ito. Yan, ganyan, yan.
Tagalog na Tagalog, Batanggenyo. Sintoreras, ha?
Sorry. Okay.
Sa sinton.
Basta, dinilaan po ang hawak. Dinilaan ang hawak. So, making sure ito. Bakit po ito kaya is nandito naman sa shoulder? Ito po is to hold na kapag ka nagpepreno, gagamitin to ni OBR para i-hold po yung momentum forward. Para may iwasan din na tamaan yung helmet nila. And at the same time, every time you ride, of course, laging magka-opposite ang helmet position nila.
At isa pa, Coach, yung paghawak din ng ganon sa braso, lalo na kung asawa mo or anak mo naaangka sa ibang rider, iwas chancing yan. Iwas chancing. Okay? Kaya dapat ituro nyo yan. Okay. Para hindi obvious na dikit na dikit. Okay, Coach?
Go ahead.
Coach, to take off.
So when you take off, making sure naka-lean forward ng konti. Not only the OBR, not only the rider, pati po yung OBR. Baka naman kasi naka-take off na si rider, yung OBR naiwan pa rin. So making sure, kapag ka po nag-take off, ganun din, lean forward ng konti. Pag nag-stop, medyo nakaganon din siya. Medyo nakalin din ng konti. And then that's the time, the OBR will hold using yung kanyang arm just to hold the momentum also. Para maiwasan mamuntukan. So take off, coach.
Pag sobrang yakap, ano mangyayari?
Pag sobrang yakap, ang tendency nun, lahat ng bigat, isang distribution kasi.
Okay.
So hindi pwedeng laging OBR.
Take off na coach. tapos
Okay,
sabay
take
po
off.
yung body position namin pag
Okay, go ahead. Take off. And then stop. Yan. Ngayon, ang body position every time you stop is will be the B position. That will be more safer na to avoid na matumbayan towards to the right. So otherwise, tatawagan niyo si I. Pagka kayo ay naka-upright lang ang motor. Okay? Again, turn. So when you turn, just making sure, sabihan lagi ang OBR, kung anong posisyon ni rider, siyang posisyon ni OBR. Okay, get ready. Turn, coach. Go ahead. When you turn, making sure,
Counterweight.
counterweight pa rin yan. So parehas ng distribution ng weight, hindi matatakot si OBR at the same time. Yeah.
Counterweight. Look wherever you're going and that's it. Oh, isa pa, coach.
Yan. Parang walang ka-effort si Inday.
Oo nga. Walang effort.
Parang dapat si Inday ang magkakasayo.
Oo nga. Try natin nga.
Si Inday ang magkakasayo.
Okay, that's it, coach.
Alright.
Thank you, Arlene.
Thank you, Miss Arlene.
Thank you. Pagbababa, oops. Go.
Pagbababa naman, same process pa rin. Put the side stand on, making sure. So dahil malambot siya, dito ka ulit bababa ulit sa kanan. Okay, minsan nagtataka tayo, nandito ang tambucho sa kabilang side. That's a case-to-case basis lang po. Kasi kung malambot yung pavement, ayaw nating mag-end up na matumba lahat tayo papunta sa kaliwa. So kaya po natin tinuturo naman papunta sa kanan. It depends po sa scenario kung ano yung pavement na dadaanan natin. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Miss
Miss
Arlene.
Arlene.
Day before you ride, sa gabi pa lang, naka-ready na ang ating safety gear. So safety gear po, it starts from head to toe. So we have Shark helmet here, it's a modular. So you always ride with safety, comfort, and style. So ito po modular. Make sure po naka-charge na rin ang inyong mga Cardo system or Consena para okay po yung riding jacket po. Yan, riding jacket, make sure po appropriate po sa riding condition, no? Weather. Kung if it's sunny day, make sure mesh jacket po siya. Ito po yung Sigura ng WWR. So, ito po, mesh jacket po siya. Breathable po siya. Ngayon, kung malamig po, you can have the leather jacket, and kung tag-ulan, make sure that you have your rain gear. Andun po yung ating raincoat at saka mga pants. Then gloves po, ito ang ating gloves by Falco. So make sure po na comfortable po kayo sa gloves, not too tight and not too loose. So depende po sa weather, kung sa inyo yung taglamig, you can use full leather gloves or kung ano, mesh naman yung gloves niyo kung tag-init. Riding pants, meron po siyang mga pads dito at saka hips, and then riding boots. Kung maglo-long ride po kayo, make sure na yung ating gamit ay hindi bago para po komportable na po kayo doon. Hindi yung tipong long ride kayo, nangangawit kayo, nangangalay dahil masyado pong masikip at saka hindi pa kayo used sa inyong you're not used to it sa ating safety gear. So yun lamang po from head to toe, and it's always nice to have to wear your dry fit shirt kasi madali po siyang matuyo unlike sa mga cotton. And in overnight, pwede po siyang labhan. The following day, after 3 hours, tuyo na yan. I-roll lang ninyo siya sa bath towel sa hotel. Ihang lang ninyo and pwede na ulit gamitin. So always travel light pack. Alright? Thank you, Coach!
Thank you. Ang ginagawa po natin, puro slow maneuvering drills po tayo. Lahat yan slow maneuvering drills. Okay. Yung 5 skills natin, number 1, head and eyes. Head and eyes po tayo. Kung saan tayo po tumingin, doon pupunta yung motor. Kung saan tayo tumingin, doon dapat tayo papunta. If you notice, we're using the counter weight sa nakaupo. Okay. Lalo na kung medyo off-road yung dadaanan. Okay, Coach. What's next? Okay, we're gonna do the circle. Kalimitan, ginagawa natin pag nag-U-turn or we're gonna make a reverse. Okay, on that side. Okay, they're gonna do on the standing position. Pag naman sa standing position, iba naman yung counterweight nila, iba naman yung naka-pointers. If you notice, kanina, yung hips ay nasa kanan din, pag sa kanan, ngayon ay nasa kaliwa naman. Okay. Una ulit, coach. Okay. They're gonna do on the side. Again, pinapakita lang dito na pwede siyang gawin on the balance pero hindi po siya exhibition at hindi rin siya ginagawa for show off. We're gonna show this only para ipatunayan na yung balancing ng counterweight is applicable. Okay, if you notice, safe pa rin siya kasi yung rear brake, naka-rear brake pa rin sila. Yung right foot, nasa rear brake pa din. So pag sa'yo na coach, magte-take off or baba. So pagbaba naman or pag-take off, madali lang kung sa ginagamit yan kung uneven yung pavement o yung kalsada. So, I think that's it. If you have any questions, please approach us. And if you have any questions, please come to us, no problem. We will answer as much as we can. Please visit our page, Motorglide Training Center, if you have any inquiries. Thank you very much. Congratulations, no respect.